Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be mixing some candy paint. Let me show you how. Alright, here we go. First of all, I'm going to be mixing some candy paint. This is the candy paint that's going to be going on that lowrider. I'm going to be shooting some speed shapes. I'll be shooting some speed shapes, different styles, I guess. One of them's going to be just plain metal flake, blue metal flake. The other one's going to be just regular silver with candy. And the next one's going to be silver with metal flake, silver, and the candy paint. Let's see which one is going to look good for that car. But I'm going to show you how to mix the candy. There's a lot of emails, a lot of comments. They want to know how to mix the candy. There's two different types. One of them is going to be concentrated candy like I have here. The other one is going to be already mixed, which is what I used on the previous candy paint job. But I'm going to show you how to mix it from scratch. This is the carrier I'm going to be using. It's from Tamco. This is a candy carrier. This is what you need in order to mix a candy. If you don't have the candy carrier, you can use Intercoat Clear to mix it up. All right, this one's mixed 4-to-1, 4 parts of the candy with 1 part of the activator. So let's just mix it up. All right, I'm going to be using some metal flake from Grant 7. It's called Magic Flake. This is 0.008 metal flake. And I'm also going to be using some blue Royal Flush. This is from Ditch Spade right there. All right, these are the two colors I'm going to be using of flakes. This is the actual I guess liquid diamond, the silver base that I'm going to be using. It's also from Grant 7. All the information for these materials, guys, I'm going to leave it on the description below so that you can check them out. I got the reducer right here. So let's just mix it up. I'll leave the candy for a little bit. Let's mix up the silver so that I can start spraying, and then we'll start mixing up the metal flake. I'm going to be using, the gun I'm going to be using, it's going to be the Ani R160 right there. It's a mini gun. This is what I'm going to be using for all these shapes. So let's just get started. All right, the 3 coats have been applied. I just removed the black one just so I don't get any contaminants from the silver, but silver's ready. Let me just start applying the metal flake, just solid metal flake to this speed shape. All right here I am mixing Intercoat Clear to mix the metal flake. So it's just a little bit that I need. So let me just start mixing the metal flake in. The gun I'm going to be using for the metal flake, it's my Black Widow 1.7 tip. This is going to be for the silver and the blue metal flake. I'm going to be applying the blue metal flake first. Right here, doing the same thing. I'm just adding inner coat clear and silver metal flake from Grand 7 Magic Flake. Alright, here it is. This is the blue, just metal flake by itself. And this is the silver with the metal flake. And this is the silver by itself. Let's put candy on these two and compare it to this one. And that'll be it. Alright guys, I'm going to mix the candy carrier in this bucket. Couldn't find a smaller bucket, but it'll work. So let me just pour all this candy carrier gallon to the bucket so that I can start mixing the candy killer blue. Alright, this whole gallon of candy carrier requires 2 8-ounce candy concentrate. So this is one 8-ounce, another 8-ounce. So I'm going to pour both of them into the bucket, mix it up, and it should create this this candy color. There it is. I mixed 16 ounces, 2 8-ounce little bottles of candy concentrate to that 1 gallon of the candy carrier. Now mix it up and it should be ready. Alright, this candy carrier calls for a mixing ratio 4:1. So I look for 4 and 1, and right there I already have the amount I need. Let me add the activator, start spraying it. There it is. This is the one with metal flake after the 3 coats of clear. This is the one with the silver metal flake. And this is just the candy with the silver base. Which one is your favorite? And this is it. This is 3 different types of ways you can apply candy or metal flake, and I showed you how to mix the candy. There's always one that's already mixed that you can use, but if you want to buy the concentrate, that's how you mix it. Hope you like this video. I hope you now know more or less how to mix the candy, how to spray it, and let's see what the owner picks for the lowrider. All right, guys, this will be it. This will be it for this video. I'll leave you with a couple of images and pictures of these speed shapes, and I'll see you next coming weekend. All right, guys, thank you, and like always, God bless.